This brand is made in Mexico by Carrier and the units are only sold through dealers in the USA. The units use louvered panel construction, which is superior for condenser coil protection from hail and other debris. They have a durable baked-on paint with a polyester top coat to keep the units looking good for years to come, but they use R410A, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. The units are relatively loud in operation with sound ratings that are roughly equivalent to a washing machine, and the warranty on the units is only average as it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The PH4Z models, part of their baseline, are basic heat pumps with fixed-speed blower motors, a 13.4 CR2 cooling efficiency, and a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency rating. They are suitable for slab mounting as they do not have base rails for roof curb installation. The 607C model heat pumps, a part of their legacy line, offers the same 13.4 efficiency with a variable speed blower motor for quieter air distribution and enhanced energy savings. They have base rails and are suitable for rooftop installation. The 607E models, a part of their preferred series, are premium heat pumps with two-stage compressors, a 15.2 CR2 cooling efficiency, and an 8.5 HSPF2 heating efficiency.